Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very quick video. I want to show you guys how I am currently putting away my lashes. So this is a plastic container off of Amazon that I ordered. It is a little bit bulky, but it keeps your lashes nice and put away. And literally you can just throw a little piece of paper with the name of the lashes. That way you know what lash you are actually using. Now, as far as cleaning them, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to keep it easy, and we're going to keep it affordable. Okay. What I like to do is I like to take my tweezers and I like to go in and pretty much like pull off all the lash glue. My lashes are always so full of glue because I reuse them over and over and over again. And you know what? We are balling on a budget, okay? So we can't throw the lashes away. We got to keep them and reuse them, honey. And that's why we are here today, so we can learn how to clean them. Now, after that, I'm going to take these Almay makeup eraser sticks. These are super affordable. You can find them at the drugstore and they're really cool. They look like Q-tips. All you have to do is break that purple part, literally just break it in half, and then the liquid will drip down to the tip of the Q-tip. Do you guys see how my finger is wet? Yep. It has some sort of like makeup remover. I don't know, but this thing is genius. It's awesome. And all I do is I take the Q-tip. It doesn't have to be super wet, and you just run it through the lashes, through the lash band, and you make sure that you take off any and all glue and mascara if possible. This is just going to bring your lashes back to life, honestly, and they're going to look perky, they're going to look fluffy, they're going to look cute. So make sure you take your time in removing as much glue as possible. I know that it's hard sometimes once they've been used over and over again, but it can still work. Now, what I like to do is I like to take my little brow thing and I clean the lashes because this makes them nice and fluffy, as you can see in the before and after. Huge difference. On this one we have glue, we have mascara, we have eyeshadow, we have glitter, all that yucky stuff, and this one is nice and clean. I mean, hello, can I get any easier than this? I really hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video, quick tip. And if you guys are interested in knowing where I purchased my little box, I will have it listed down below. I like to just stack them together and keep them in a circle so they can keep their shape. And that is it. It is super simple, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and be updated with all my videos by clicking that notification bell. I love you guys, and I will see you on Friday. Mwah.